Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Alice.
And I'm James. It's great to have you with us today. Alice, I'm feeling excited. I feel like we're going on a trip.
That's because today we are. We are taking you all to a place that can be a little stressful if you don't know the right words in English, the airport.
That's right. The airport can be intimidating, but don't worry. After this episode, you will feel much more confident.
Exactly. Today you will learn the essential vocabulary and phrases you need to check in for your flight, go through security, and find your gate.
And to make it fun, Alice and I will do a role play. Alice will be the passenger, and I will be, well, everyone else at the airport.
It's going to be fun. Are you ready? Let's go to the airport. Okay, so I've just arrived at the airport. The first thing I need to do is find the check-in desk for my airline. Ah, there it is.
Good morning. Where are you flying to today?
Good morning. I'm flying to New York. I'd like to check in for my flight.
Certainly. May I have your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you, Miss Smith. I see your reservation. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, just this one big suitcase.
Okay, please put it on the scale. Perfect. It's under the weight limit. And do you have a carry-on bag?
Yes, this backpack.
All right. Now, would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I love looking at the clouds.
No problem. Okay, here is your boarding pass. Your flight departs from gate B27. Boarding will begin at 2:15 p.m. The gate number is written here.
Gate B27. Got it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful flight.
Okay, check-in is done. That was easy. Now for the next step, security. This is where they check your bags and you walk through a metal detector.
Next, please place your bags in the bin. Laptops and tablets in a separate bin, please.
Okay,
Please empty your pockets. Take off your jacket and your belt.
sure thing.
Please step to the side, ma'am. Do you have anything in your pockets? Keys, a phone?
Oh, I'm so sorry. My keys. I forgot. Here they are.
No problem. Put them in the bin and walk through again, please. You're all set. You can collect your belongings. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Whew, I always get a little nervous at security. Now I just need to find my gate, B27. Let's look at the signs. Ah, this way. Okay, I'm at the gate. Now I just have to wait. Oh, look at the departures board. Let's check my flight. Flight 815 to New York. Oh no, it says delayed.
Excuse me, is this the flight to New York?
Yes, it is, but it looks like our flight is delayed.
Oh, really? By how long?
The board doesn't say. I hope it's not too long. Oh, great. They are boarding now. My boarding pass says Zone 3, so I have to wait a little bit. That's me.
Good afternoon. Passport and boarding pass, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, Miss Smith. Welcome aboard.
And scene. We made it onto the plane.
Yes, well done. And I'm exhausted from playing 3 different people. But that was a very realistic airport experience, with a small delay and even a little mistake at security.
It was. And now that we've finished the role play, let's look at some of the super useful language we used.
Absolutely. Let's start with the first thing you said at the check-in desk. You said, "I'd like to check in, please."
Yes, I'd like is a contraction of I would like. It's a very polite way to say I want. In service situations, like at a hotel, a restaurant, or the airport, using I'd like is fantastic. It's much more polite than I want.
Exactly. Now let's talk about bags. I asked you, are you checking any bags? This is a key question. A checked bag or suitcase is the big bag that goes in the cargo hold under the plane.
And the small bag you take with you on the plane is your carry-on. It could be a backpack or a small suitcase. So you have a checked bag and a carry-on bag. Remember those two.
Great point.
Next up, a classic choice you have to make. Would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat? Alice, can you explain the difference?
Of course, a window seat is the seat next to the window, where you can look outside. An aisle seat is the seat next to the aisle, the corridor in the middle of the plane. The aisle seat is good if you want to stand up and walk around easily.
Perfect explanation. And finally, let's talk about a word nobody wants to hear at the airport: delayed. When your flight is delayed, it means it will leave later than planned.
That's right. You might also see on time, which is good, or canceled, which is very bad. So when you look at the big screen, the departures board, you can check the status of your flight: on time, delayed, or canceled.
And those are our key phrases for today. Simple, but incredibly useful.
Okay, it's time for a quick review to help you remember. We'll say the phrase, and you can repeat it out loud. Ready?
Let's do it. Repeat after us.
I'd like to check in, please.
Do you have a window seat or an aisle seat?
My bag is a carry-on.
Oh no, my flight is delayed.
Great job, everyone. And now for your challenge. We want to hear from you in the comments section on YouTube.
The question is simple. When you travel by plane, do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat, and why? For example, I prefer an aisle seat because I am tall.
Let us know your answer in the comments. We love reading them.
And that is all the time we have for today. We hope you feel ready for your next trip to the airport.
If you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click the little bell icon so you never miss a new lesson from us.
Thanks for listening and learning with us today. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.